Hello everyone, and welcome back to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today I want to talk about 10 cooking skills that I believe every 30-year-old should know. These skills are essential for anyone looking to improve their cooking abilities and impress their guest. So, let's get started. Skill number 1. How to properly season food. Understanding how to properly use salt, pepper, and other spices can take your cooking to the next level. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the right balance of flavors for your dishes. Skill number 2. How to chop vegetables and fruit. Knowing how to chop properly can save time and ensure that your dishes cook evenly. Take the time to learn the proper techniques for different types of produce. Skill number 3. How to sauté. Sautéing is a basic cooking technique that involves cooking food quickly in a hot pan with a small amount of fat. Mastering this skill will allow you to create flavorful and healthy meals in no time. Skill number 4. How to roast. Roasting is a versatile cooking method that can be used for a variety of meats and vegetables. Knowing how to properly roast can help you create delicious and crispy dishes. Skill number 5. How to make a simple vinaigrette. A simple vinaigrette can be a versatile and healthy addition to many dishes. Knowing how to make one can save money and impress guests. Skill number 6. How to make a simple sauce. Knowing how to make a simple sauce such as bechamel or marinara can help you elevate simple dishes and impress guests. Skill number 7. How to cook grains. Grains such as rice, quinoa, and farro are versatile and healthy. Knowing how to cook them properly can make them a staple in your diet. Skill number 8. How to cook a steak. Cooking a steak properly can be intimidating, but with a little practice, it can be a delicious and impressive dish. Skill number 9. How to bake. Baking is a science and can be a bit tricky, but knowing how to make a simple cake or bread can be a fun and rewarding skill. Skill number 10. How to properly use a knife. Knowing how to use a knife properly is a basic but essential skill in the kitchen. A sharp knife can make prep work faster and safer. And that concludes our list of 10 cooking skills that every 30-year-old should know. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any other cooking skills that you think should be on this list, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner.